Problems on Kirchhoff's laws. So, what is Kirchhoff's current law? Kirchhoff's current law, or charge law, also you can say here. So, this law is based on law of conservation of charge. The sum of the charges entering a node is equal to the sum of the charges leaving it. The sum of the charges entering a node is equal to the sum of the charges leaving it. So, let us understand this. Suppose we have a circuit like this, a capacitor. There are two capacitors here, and there is a third capacitor here, and there are two batteries connected. There are two batteries connected here. So this is C1, this is C2, this is C3, this is E1, EMF of the first battery, EMF of the second battery. So this E1 will supply a charge Q1 to this, say it is minus Q1. Why? Because opposite plates should get equal and opposite charge. So this E2 I will take this way. This E2 I will take this way. Say this second battery will supply a charge Q to this, and this is minus Q. Now these three plates will become a system of isolated plates. So these three plates will become a system of isolated plates. They are completely isolated from the surroundings. They are not connected to any battery. So those three plates are completely isolated. So sum of the charges on these three plates should be zero. So if you say the charge on this plate as Q, then if you apply law of conservation of charge, so Q minus Q1 minus Q2 is equal to 0. That is, so these three plates were having zero charge before, and after that the total charge is this on these three plates. So the total charge before is equal to the total charge after. Law of conservation of charge. So from this you will get the charge on the third capacitor. So Q equal to Q1 plus Q2. Now if I consider, okay, this is one point A. So that point A is called a node or junction. That point A is called a node or junction. So from this point, see here, actually here, this plate has got negative charge, means same amount of positive charge should have flown to A. This plate has got negative charge, means same amount of positive charge should have flown to A. And this plate has got positive charge, means same amount of positive charge should have flown from A. So now Q1 and Q2 are approaching the junction, and small q is leaving the junction. So sum of approaching currents is equal to sum of leaving currents. Same thing you get. So this law is a consequence of law of conservation of charge. This happens at any junction. At any junction, what charge will come to the junction? The same charge will be taken away. Means charge will not get accumulated at any point in the circuit. So this is a consequence of law of conservation of charge.